I have a shirt on, just so you know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since it was last time that I recorded, but every single time I sit down to record, I feel ugly, I feel unattractive, and it has a lot to do with my acne on my face. Coincidentally, like, my good days aren't the days that I film. I usually film when I'm spontaneous. So I'll get like an idea, or I'll sit down and be like, oh, I'm gonna film me doing my hair. And then I'll be like, okay, cool, set it up, look at myself in the camera, or look myself in the mirror before I go in, and I'll see like that I'm breaking out even worse. And then my self-esteem blemishes. I feel some type of way, I start to get in my head, and then I'm like, you know what, no. So when I usually do that for the past couple of days, especially given this racial pandemic that we're going through, I've just drawn all my issues or all my thoughts. But I really had to force myself to sit down and do my hair today. So that's what I'm doing. I'm in my living room. I'm just gonna chill, be leisure. Considering the past couple times I have, you know, like when you do your hair too much, you kind of lose track of like new things to do. So I like to go on Pinterest and look up hairstyles to do. So all I know is that I already chose the hair color. You know, last time I did blue. I'm staying within that vibe. I like doing colorful hair. I'm doing periwinkle. This is what it looks like. So right now I have 4 packs of periwinkle. It is this 24-inch hair. It was like $5.99 at the beauty supply store. And I had to drive all the way to Indiana to get it. So I'm going to be doing that, and it's going to be based off of this style. So we're gonna get into that. Last time I did micros, I'm not gonna be doing that again. Not gonna be doing that for a hot minute. So I'm gonna just divide my hair into 4. Actually, I'm gonna go do this in the mirror, so I'll be right back. So I split my hair up into the section I'm gonna start with. Again, my hair is gonna be periwinkle, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Ooh, got too much oil in my hand, so let's anoint the head, guys. You know, this is my dog Cash. I don't think I've ever introduced her in a video, but this is her. Look. Look at the camera. Up. Look up. This is Cash. She is 1 year old. 1 year and some change. Stop. Sit. I guess she's gonna be staying here while I do my hair until she gets bored of me, which is what usually happens. Okay, I don't necessarily know how long this is gonna be, because if I cut it in half, it won't be long enough. So we're just gonna keep it the same length, and we're just gonna cut it. And we're gonna do it pretty big. Hell, if I like it long, I might just keep it long. So this is my piece. See how this goes. It's been a minute since I last braided, and every single time I sit down to braid my hair, I feel like I forget it. It's like, do I even remember how to do this? So as of right now, it looks like this. It kind of does look cool in the nighttime. But I only got this much done in the front. They're pretty big. I have the whole back side to do and this top part, but it is really late and I have work tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna part my hair, put it in a scarf, and worry about that later. So yeah, that's gonna involve braiding this down. I really am in love with this hair color now. Like, this looks so cool. It's like a light purple-ish blue, but it's gonna be really full. I'm gonna really like this. I know that for a fact. And make sure to grab it all tight with my African fingertips. Good night.